DJ by ESTE in 80 by 95 cm rounds special treatment version 1 starts with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. So simply sprinkle the electric diamonds in the background. Fluid by DJ by ESTE in size 80 by 95 cm rounds special treatment version 2 now adds bubblegum pearls that we have sprinkled on the pink areas of the lotus flowers, one over here on the bottom and a smaller one right here. We've also placed the bubblegum pearls on the light pink horizontal line that we see here in this painting. So this is version 2 of Fluid Special Treatment. Fluid by DJ by ESTE in size 80 by 95 cm rounds special treatment version 3 now adds 3 more special beads. We start off first with magenta that has been sprinkled on the dark pink paint running across her cheeks. We also have more magenta crystals that we've placed on the second darker pink line across the canvas, the horizontal line. So you place the magenta crystals on those 2 areas, one over here and then on here as well. Sprinkle it as you would wish, focusing on the area that you'd like to highlight more. Aside from that, we also have morganite crystals that we've sprinkled on the flower by her ear. We also have more morganite crystals that have been sprinkled on the pink floral pattern on the moon behind her. So simply sprinkle it in random areas on that pink pattern. And finally, we have labradorite crystals that have been sprinkled on her hair, specifically on the green areas of her hair. We also placed a little bit on this green section over here where the triangle is at, so sprinkle them over there as well.